So I show you the laser marking machine from Vanstron. This is the main software for the operator. When the operator is starting the machine, this software beginning to start. For starting a production, they have to put this button and take the product name and product information and also the board length, board width. They can using, is it machine standing alone or inline for SMEMA input or output. If you have two laser heads, you can using also enable fast mark for make marking on both sides. You can choose if you want to mark it's the same codes on the A and the B side. It's also possible to use group marking or group reading if it's in the field of view the codes, and you can reading and marking by the same time. You can also using the function reading while marking or use reading after marking. That if the customer wants to verification the codes, you can using also the machine in bypass mode. Anti-second marking is also that the machine looks before starting the marking is a QR code, data matrix code on the point, and also bed board detection with bed marks. You can also devices to choose it. This is only for product parameters what you need before. Next step is you can using the teach function. In the teach function, you choose the position of the data matrix or the text code. If you're using the arrow button, you can driving the camera and this position where you want to marking a text or the data matrix code. Next is with the plus function, you can setting this position on the Y and X axis that you can set this position for marking and after then the programming. This function on the right side is also for fiducial marking, that in the beginning to mark a data matrix code, the machine looks for the fiducial and correction the axis. Next point is in this area here, you can setting 1 point for data matrix in the Y and the X axis, and then you can calculate more of the data matrix codes when you're using a number of rows, a number of columns, and you're setting first the Y and X axis origin position, and then the last Y and the X and the last Y position, and then you can calculate maybe 25 data matrix code in one step. Next is for using to programming to open the top laser function. It's in another window for. Is it? It's still open. Sorry. This is for using the template that you have to create first a template of a data matrix code. Here you can setting the letter, how many letters you make in the data matrix code. And then you can also setting mark parameters, mark settings. It's marking on a tree in a rectangle, a line, or in a spot mode. And then when you have decided the mark parameter, you can make also an example, mark sample on the right side for this position where the laser is standing. When all is done and all is safe, you can close it. You open or go back to this area. You can choose the next point, the values for the data matrix code or the text, what you want to inside of the code. For this, you select the information of the position and the templates. And then you can setting here maybe a year, or also take in a serial number with 4 letters, for example, like here. And then you can see also here what is normally signed in the data matrix code for the next step. And then they will also, by initializing like this one and stepping and counting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. After this, you save the file, give in normally the name of the file, save it, then you close it. Next step is to setting the work code, like selected. Okay, there was not found in this case, confirm it and then exit, and then you can start with the production. If you press the auto run button, the machine will starting the marking. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.